Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate frames on the FlipaClip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open our project and tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen. Click to the Frames Viewer option. Select all frames. And tap to the copy icon next to the share. And next, tap to the last icon on the bottom of the screen and duplicate them. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.